Welcome back to it. It's Maths Masterclass with Leo. Today we are doing determinant of a 3 by 3. Determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. In the previous videos we did introduction to matrices. We did addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. Also showed you a determinant of a 2 by 2. Also showed you how to use the calculator to identify the determinant of a matrix, and also how to add and subtract a matrix using a calculator. So today I'm gonna show you a manual way of calculating a determinant of a 3 by 3, right? Note that this is very much important. You're gonna use this a lot when you are dealing with 3 by 3. This will help you to identify inverse of a matrix, and also it's used a lot in identifying the determinant, right? Note that this is very, very important. Use this format to identify the determinant of a 3 by 3. Say for example you are given matrix A, which is actually 1 minus 5 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 4 and minus 3, 6 and 2, right? So you're given this. They want you to identify or find the determinant of A, right? So in finding the determinant of A, you can either use the first column, second column, or the third column. One of the three will work, right? So you are not forced to use the first column, you are not forced to use the second column, or you are not forced to at least use one of the three. So I prefer using the first one. So the first one I have, if I select this as my first column, I'm going to use this as to identify my determinant. I'm going to select 1, then 1 and 2, 2 minus 4, 6 and 2, right? So when I select 1, this row will be closed or will be out, and this column will be out, right? So I'm left with 2 minus 4, 6 and 2, right? Then again I use this. You see, can you check? I use this plus. Now I'm going to use this minus. So one might say, where does minus 4 come from? It comes from this. So this will give me minus 4 and 2. So now when I select 4, this 4 here, this middle row is out and this upper column is out. So I'm left with minus 5, minus 1, and 6, and 2, right? So now, in this case, someone might ask, why am I using negative while there's this positive? So remember, negative multiplied by positive, it will give you negative. So in this case, our negative wins. So I'm going to have negative 3 into what? Negative 3 into, erase that. Negative 3 into, so when I select this, right, when I select that, what's going to happen? This last row is out and this upper column is out. So I'm left with minus 5, minus 1, 2, and what? And minus 4. This is what I have, right? So in this case, now when I simplify, 2 multiplied by 2 is going to be 4, minus into a k, then this 4 multiplied by 6 is going to be minus 24. Right? Minus 4 into, now when I say minus 5 multiplied by 2 is going to give me 10, which is a negative actually, negative 10. Then minus into minus 6, right? And then minus 3 into 5 multiplied by 4, negative 5 multiplied by negative 4 is positive 20. Minus into minus 2. right? And now I'm going to have, this will be into 4 plus 24, right? Minus 4 into minus 10 minus, okay, plus 6, right? And then lastly, I'll have minus 3 into 20 plus 2, right? Then this will be 28, right? Plus 16, right? Minus 66, right? And then what will be my solution? I have 66, right? So 28 plus 16, I believe it will give me, is it, okay, let's see everything. See, 28 plus 16. This and this, they give me 4. This and that, they give me 3. So this is 34. So I have 66 minus 34, which is equal to 22. Right? So, but my 66 is negative. This will be negative 22. That is how I identify or determine my determinant of this 3 by 3. Right? That is my determinant of this 3 by 3. Let's see if we can get another one that we can do. Another question. But all of them, they follow the very same procedure. The very same procedure. It doesn't change. Right? Okay. Just try to erase faster. And then get a question that we can do. Okay. Come on. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the content with your friends. Right? And if you have any problem, you can just leave it on the comment section. Right? Why did I erase that? But it's fine. Let me just continue erasing it. I'm not going to erase that because we're going to use it. So, say they want you to identify, given matrix B is 1, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 1 and 6, minus 2, 4 and minus 7. They want us to do what? Determine or find the determinant of B, right? We will apply the very same method that we applied. So in this case, I'm going to select again my column 1. You can select your column 2, you can select your column 3, but I always like using the first column. So I'm going to select column 1. So this will be equals to 1 into, okay, 1 into, okay, when I select this row is out and this column is out. I have minus 1, 4, 6, minus 7, right? Then minus 5 into, select this one. The middle row is out and the column is out. I have 3, minus 3, I have 4, minus 7, right? And then when I select this guy, okay, let me erase this and that. The last row is out and the first column is out. I'll have, because of negative multiplied by positive, I'm going to have a negative. So this will be negative 2 into, okay. First row, last row is out, first column is out. I have 3, minus 3, minus 1, and 6, right? Then I have 1 into, this is positive 7, okay, minus into, okay, 24. This will be minus 24. When I say 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 5 into, this is minus 21. Then this will be minus 21, and then this minus into minus 12, right? Minus 2 into 18 minus 3, right? And then this gives me, okay, 1 into this is minus 17, minus 5 into minus 9, then minus 2 into 15. Then this gives me minus 17, right? Minus 45. Okay. Okay, this is plus actually. And then this is minus 30. And I can definitely see this will be minus 47 plus 45, which gives me the determinant of minus 2. That is my solution. Hope you like, subscribe, and share the content with your friends. See you in the next video. Tango!